They are struggling to keep up with the amount of new users they're getting. Hey guys, what is up? Alec here, and I've just started my first vlog. How is it still snowy outside? That was an unintended cold shower. Good morning. So the reason I started vlogging is because I want to be able to document my process so I can look back on what I have achieved, and it's also because I wanted to be able to show you guys more of what I do behind the scenes of my videos. And by the way, this is shot on my iPhone, so don't expect the best quality, and this is because I don't want to invest the money I've got at the moment in a new camera, but that will be something I want to invest in the future. So this account has been growing even better recently, and we're about to hit 40k. We've only got about 130 left, so I think we'll be able to hit that today. And on this day I grew really well, but it says I didn't post, but I actually did. It's just because there was an ad on the page, so I deleted it that day. But yeah, I've been having a few days recently really well, with over 5,000 followers gained in a single day, which is really good for me. Also, back on the 21st, I was cut from the partner program because I did not yet have 4,000 hours of watch time. But now I've reached this watch time and I'm still having to wait. And people have been saying it takes up to 3 weeks to get accepted back to the partner program. This is really annoying because with 3 extra days, I would have been above 4,000 and they wouldn't have cut me at all. But timing was off, so yeah. But I'm looking forward to getting that extra income stream back again. So I've just been replying to a load of emails and DMs and comments on YouTube this morning, and then the agenda for the rest of the day is I'm going to get started on working on a website project I'm doing for dropshipping. Tonight I have a talk about business. It's a workshop. I'm going to attend that. I'm kind of excited. I had one a couple of weeks ago, but I couldn't attend. I'm also currently editing a video about Telegram rounds, which I'm hoping to release before this blog comes out. So if you haven't yet seen that, I'm going to be linking it in the description below. And yeah, I'm just going to take you through my day basically. I know this vlog's a bit of a mess, but it is my first vlog and I'm just going to be showing you what I'm doing. I'm hoping to be doing these 4 times a month, so one of these vlogs a week alongside with one of my other Instagram videos a week. If you have any specific tips or tricks you want to see me do in a video, just tell me in the comment section below, and yeah, enjoy my day. Okay, so during that hour, while you guys saw a bit of a time lapse, I spent my time sorting out Instagram accounts, posting on Instagram accounts and just checking their growth and make sure every single one is doing okay. Now I'm probably about to edit a bit more of the video, hopefully release it within the next 24 hours and then have this vlog up a couple of days after it. So where I live at our reception, what they do is sometimes they give away a load of free drinks. And look at what I've managed to bag myself. A load of free energy drinks. Don't know what the hell it is, but it gives me energy. Okay, so as you can see, the snow is getting pretty crazy right now, so I'm probably about to jump outside and just check it out. Because it doesn't really snow in London, and I'm really interested to yeah, just go outside, you know, snow excites everyone. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell in this video right now, but yeah, you can probably tell it is absolutely freezing and pouring it down with snow, which is pretty cool because it never really snows in London, and let alone stick. But look at this, look at this. I just think it's pretty awesome, and it just looks beautiful. Look at that, look at that, amazing. And while I'm out here, I thought we could just have a quick talk. You guys have all probably heard of the new social app called VERO. VERO True Social. I wanted to hear your thoughts and opinions on it, and I'm going to give you mine right now. Basically, I downloaded it the other day. First of all, I'd heard about it a couple of years ago. I downloaded it the other day, and I didn't think it would be much, but yeah, it blew up like over the past couple of days, and they are struggling to keep up with the amount of new users they're getting. So I think if they don't manage to pull their weight in
next few days, people are just going to be like, yeah, it's not working, and delete it. I personally have already deleted my account. My lenses. I have deleted my account, so I don't think it's going to be anything big. I think it's just a phase. I like a lot of these new social apps like Saraha, Elo, things like that. So I think unless it does something amazing soon, it's not going to be here within the next couple of months. But yeah, I could be wrong, could be huge, but that's just my opinion anyway. So yeah, I guess we just have to wait and see. I didn't think to bring any gloves, so my hands are absolutely freezing. But this looks amazing. It never snows in London, let alone sticks, so I think it looks pretty amazing. Right, so another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was the new RIZE app. I don't know if you guys have heard about the new RIZE app brought to you by the company YouNow, which is basically just a live streaming platform. The big thing about this platform is that it's very raw, it's very purely live stream, and they're trying to, or they are going to introduce cryptocurrency into this platform. I'm not too sure exactly how it works yet, but I've been trying it out myself. It is very complicated, but at the same time basic. They've got very different things. You need to get used to it. For now, I think it has quite a lot of potential. So if you haven't heard of RIZE, I'm going to link to it in the description below. But I think this app has a lot of potential, especially seeing as they're going to be introducing cryptocurrency to it. And I think that should be very interesting to see. I've literally just been walking around the block in the freezing snow, just because I wanted to see the snow. It never snows, everyone loves snow. But another thing I want to be doing in my videos or these vlogs is review your guys' Instagram account. So I'm going to be doing one of these vlogs a week, and I think I'm going to be reviewing at least 1 or 2 in every video. So if you want me to review your account, just let me know in the comment section below, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. That means that when I DM you, it'll go straight to your inbox and not to requested messages, so you'll see it straight away if you're the person I choose. Alright, we are back inside, and boy, that was cold. That was cold. So now I'm probably just going to edit the video and hopefully have that finished in a couple of hours. So I was just about to start my work and the fire alarm is going off and it's just stopped. This always happens, it is so annoying. And we're off again, and we are off again. Flashing all the time. Okay, so right now it is 5:30. I'm on my way to this business workshop. However, I'm really hoping it's not something where it's really small, like in a really small room with only 10 people, and they're constantly asking you loads of questions, because I'm not exactly in the mood for that. But I guess we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so I just got here. I'm about to go in, see what it's like. So I've just come out to talk, and it was unexpected. Basically, there was only 2 of us sat in there, so I wasn't expecting that, but it was really helpful. So then we got to ask more questions about growing our business and other things like that. And I've also got now a free call to call them up and ask them some more questions in the future when I need to. But I think, yeah, it was definitely a new experience for me. I'm putting myself out there with only a couple of people, and yeah. So yeah, that call was definitely something new for me. There was only 2 of us there. I was the first one to show up, and yeah, I mean, they had a full-on presentation which lasted about an hour. But the fact that there was only a couple of us there meant that we got to ask quite a few questions about growing businesses and their experience and their take on things. So I spoke a lot about my ideas and what she thought of them, and I got a lot of good feedback. And yeah, so I'm glad I went to that. It was really helpful. And now I'm on my way home. I got a bit more of editing to do on the video about the Telegram rounds. That video should be out by the time I've posted this vlog up. But yeah, I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of these. I'm definitely planning on doing more of these. I'm going to try and do 1 every week, starting in March. And that is going to be alongside the normal videos I do. So that would be a total of 8 videos a month. Hopefully I can do that. Pretty sure I'll be able to, just need to work even more. Also, in the next vlog, if you want me to review your Instagram accounts, let me know in the comment section below. Post your Instagram accounts in the comment section, and I'll DM you on Instagram to tell you if I'm going to be doing it or not. Thank you for watching, and peace out.